Again, estimating limits graphically. Here we are speaking about the line and what is the height, what is the depth of the point or lies on the line when x approaches to one value. Here he is asking us to find the limit of negative 3x plus 1, which is a line, when x approaches to 2. Look at the graph. Here we have the line passes through the point positive 1. The slope is negative 3, so it is decreasing from the left to the right. It is decreasing. Now, when the graph, when x, the value of x approaches to 2, what is the value of y? Look at the graph. I will walk with the line slowly to reach to the point 2 from the left. So what is my depth now? It is negative 5. Did you see? Again, from the right, walk with the line, go to the point positive 2, sorry. What is my height or the depth? It is negative 5. So do you understand the idea? Here, when I speak about the values of x, 1.9, 1.99, 1.999, it means I am walking straight to 2 from the left. And when I use 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, I'm walking straight to 2 from the right. Since I'm walk from right or to left, the value of y going to be what? Negative 5. So the limit of the function now, negative 3x plus 1, is going to be what? 5. This is for the first example. Now, to take the guided practice of the example number 1, we can draw the line. What is the line now? What is the slope of this line? It is negative 5. And y-intercept is 1. Here it is 1. So, what is the limit of 1 minus 5x when x approaches to negative 3? Negative 3, 1, 2, 3. Walk with the line from the left. Look, I'm reached to negative 3. What is my height now? 16. If I walk with the line from the right, I'm walking to negative 3. What is the height now? 16. Since the limit from the left is equivalent to the limit from the right, both of them give us 16. It means this limit, the limit of the function, is 16. Next question. What is the limit of x squared minus 1 when x approaches to 1? The graph of this function is parabola. Passes through negative 1. You know that. Now, when x approaches to 1, if I walk with the line from the left to the right till I reach to the point 1, what is my height? What is my depth? Look at the graph. I'm walking now with the graph till the point positive 1. From the left, I will reach, if I came from the left, I will reach to the point 0. Now, if I come from the right to the point 1, I will reach to the f of x equal 0. Now, from the left and from the right, the value of f of x equal to 0. So the limit of this function when x approaches to 1 is 0. Example 2. He is speaking about the function when I have a hollow at one point. It means the function is undefined at this point. When x approaches to 3, what is the value of the denominator? 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So what is the limit of this function when x approaches to 3? X squared minus 9 over x minus 3. The graph of this function is a line also, because we can rewrite this fraction as x plus 3 times x minus 3. So we can simplify x minus 3 with x minus 3. The function becomes x plus 3. X plus 3, a line, passes through the point 3 and the slope of it equal 1. Right. Now, what is the limit of this function when x approaches to 3? From the left, walk with me to the point 3. The height is 6. I will be closer and closer to 6. The value is not 6 exactly, but I will suggest that it is 6. Now from the right, if I walk to the point 3, what is my height also? It is nearly 6. So when I use this table, I can see that the limit from the right is equal to the limit from the left, and it is equal to 6. Not exactly 6, but I'm going to be at 6. Here, by the same way, the limit of x plus 2 over x squared minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 over x plus 2 times x minus 2. So we can simplify x plus 2 with x plus 2. What do we have? 1 over x minus 2. So the graph of this function is a rational function. Can be drawn as this shape. 1 over x minus 2, it means 1 over x, the parent function, move 2 units right. So what is the limit of the function when x approaches to negative 2? 1 over negative 2 minus 2 equal 1 over negative 4. So I'm going to be the height, the graph of this function going to reach to the point negative 1 over 4 for y. When x approaches to negative 2, look, negative 1, negative 2. What is the depth of this point? It is negative 0.25, which is equal to negative 1 over 4. By the same way, 2b, x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x minus 5, we can rewrite this function as x minus 5 into x plus 1. So we can simplify x minus 5 with x minus 5. The answer will be what? The limit of x plus 1. X plus 1 is a line passes through the point y-intercept 0, 1. And the slope of it 1. 1 step up, 1 step right. Now, what is the limit of this function when x approaches to 5? It is, look with me, walk with the line from the left. The height will be what? It's closer and closer to be what? 6. Now, from the right, walk with the point, with the line, sorry. From the right, when I reach to 5, I will reach to the point 6, the height 6. So the limit of this function, when x approaches to 5, it will be approaches to 6.